Jesus, can you try me again? Try me again. Try me again. For some of us, what crippled your love for Jesus was simple worry. What to eat? I'm not a man. I'm a man, and things cannot continue to be like this. I need to fend for myself. And that was how you went. The Lord is looking for you now. He can't find you. Any growth, sir, you attain, that you reduce, you go low in staying with Jesus. That's debt. You just obtain debt. Because the last time I checked, the deeper you get with him, the more hungry you become. Yes. Jesus, can you try me?